say the Victor. How's everybody doing today? I have a fun surprise unboxing. It's a surprise for me and it'll be a surprise for you. A lovely friend sent me a pretty nice size parcel from somebody who was saying they were just sending me a couple things. It's kind of ginormous. So if you want to watch a fun mystery unboxing, you're in the right place. And you know what you need to do? Okay, are we ready to unbox this ginormous box? It's just a box. It came from a friend. My first Christmas present for the year. So I said they sent me a few things that they had duplicates of. So I'm very curious to see what's in here. I do have a spoiler alert of one thing, but let's see what we got here. Looks like it's going to be packed very well. So I'm just going to get rid of some. Said friend. Well, let's see here. No. 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 No, it is what's in the box. I'm gobsmacked. What? I'm just going to, for a moment, to put some paper away. Wow. So, I got the Louise Advent Calendar. Hey, that's insane. All right, and then I know that I was getting this. Somebody knows this is my favorite thing ever. Ended up quite working for them, so they sent me their extra. Thank you. What else? Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I should leave that flat. Oh, okay, everything's in. Okay, so let's my excitement. I shut the camera off by accident. And then they said there were a few extra duplicates that they had. So let's see what else we've got in here. Well, this is also from P. Louise. It is the mini eyebrow gel. Ooh, I love me eyebrow products. Look at, somebody actually got her eyebrows done. So they're nice and clean. So I cannot wait to try that. What else is in here? No way! Some more Be Perfect. It is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Dream Big Manifest Palette. No way! I just discovered Be Perfect and tried my first palette from them. Oh my gosh, now I have 2 palettes. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, well the pictures are in back. I will open this in a little bit. I'm kind of excited to do a P. Louise unboxing. Who knew? Okay, maybe I am a little bit too excited. We will open this too. I have a weapon here. There we go. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoops. The shimmer's under attack. So I'll just hold it carefully. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Yeah, this one shimmer's just a little loose, so it dropped a few pieces, but that is okay. Wow, this is a gorgeous palette. I don't even know if I remember looking at this one. I can't wait to play with it because their formula is fantastic. Ah, thank you, Wilma. This is amazing. A few things, just sending a few things. Seriously, gobsmacked. How am I so lucky to have such amazing friends? especially when they know I'm going into a no-buy for a year. This should all keep me busy for a while. All right, so we are doing a P. Louise small advent calendar unboxing right now. All right, so it comes in this beautiful house, and then they're all numbered here. Hold on, I think this one came a little loose. So, oh yeah, that's why something's sticking out. So we're gonna go, so that's that there. So I'm gonna assume that all the showing like that will be the order of the numbers. So I did it again. I shut the camera off again. I just keep hitting the button that stops the camera. So I had to go back. Luckily I was only 2 boxes in, so we can go back. Now that I got a plethora of boxes ahead of me, we're gonna go back to number 1. Luckily I put them back in their boxes as I was going along. So number 1 is the P. Louise from P. Louise Skin. This is the final strawberry. Is that like the final countdown? Don't sleep on me, a lip sleeping mask. So very excited. This time of year, we always need a good sleeping mask, and I'm almost out of my Berry M lip rehab, so perfect timing. All right, number 2, let's hope we don't hit buttons again. So number 2 here, and then inside is P. Louise Skin again, and then this is the self-love is the most valuable investment you will ever make, and then this is eye cream. So this is, yeah, so Give It a Rest eye cream. I love a good eye cream. I know Cassandra Bankson says they're overpriced moisturizers, and sometimes if you compare some eye creams of certain brands to the moisturizer, she is correct. They just put some moisturizer in a smaller bottle, called it eye cream, and off we go. But I do have some that I like that are more specialty, and I'm excited to give this a try. And this feels like a nice size bottle. I would open it, but they're all plastic wrapped, and so. And then we're gonna go number 3. That's this box here. So now we're cut off from, or back from where I cut off the camera. So this is number 3. What is in here? Number 3 is, all right, so this is No Such Thing as Too Much Bling highlighter powder, a beam of blinding glow. Well, everybody knows I like to be seen from space. So if this is a blinding highlighter, I'm in. So Hollywood Hills, is that the name of the shade? Let's find out. It's beautifully packaged. Oh, you're right, Teresa and Wilma. This is so beautiful. It is like soft and quilty. So this is Hollywood Hills. So what shade is that? Nice. A nice champagne-y gold. Yes. Beautiful. Oh, and this compact. Who wouldn't want to be? Stunning. Oh my God. So amazing. Alrighty. So try not to cry. This is just so thoughtful and so wonderful. Yeah, this is lovely. All right, we'll leave the bubble wrap. All right, and then we have a number 4. Number 4. All right, what's in number 4? Number 4 is, oh, this is so pretty. Kiss and Make Up. Give your lips the luxury they deserve. Oh, it's a lip kit. So it looks like we've got a lipstick and a lip liner. Oh, it's so pretty. And does this have a shade on it? This is in Ruby Slipper and Rose Garden. These totally look like shades I would wear. I'm totally going to do a video of trying out a whack of P. Louise products that I have never tried. So this is number 4. All right, number 5, I believe there's 10 days altogether. So exciting. And this is number 5. This is an interesting shape. What? And then this is a flirty flush of color. Where am I getting little from? It's a liquid blush. And oh, look at this. This is so cute. Little box here. Flirty Flush of Color. And this is in Peach of My Heart. Yay. I love peachy pinky blushes. So this one I can easily take out of the container. And that's that shade there. And oh yeah, it's one of those smudgy ones. Boop, boop. That is a very cool. I cannot wait to try this out. All right. What one was that? That number 9? No, this is number 9. What was that? Oh, it was number 5. 5. I'm getting ahead of myself. So that's, is that? See, it's funny things. 9s and 6s, depending on how you turn it. But I'm going to assume that, well, but then the numbers here. So I'm going to say this one's 6 because it's got the little tab here. Yes, there we go. And then the tab there is 9. Okay, so this is number 6. Hopefully we're not going in the wrong order. There we go. Number 6. Oh no, I broke the box. All right, and then number 6. Put that there. It Takes Two. P. Louise. Half of my, oh, it takes two. Half of my heart belongs to you. P. Louise. And this is, what is it? What is it? Do I need a weapon? Oh. Let's take a look. Shake it out. All right, that's open. Oh, it's a little eyeshadow palette. And it lights up. Shut the front door. Oh, this is so cute. Kind of neutrally colors. Look like warm and cool. And then each one has a matte and then a shimmer by it. Oh, that's so cute. This would be an awesome traveling palette, right? You take one like this and one's a colorful one and you're good. It takes up a little space. Awesome. So that was number 6. So now we have number 7. I hope I don't feel like I'm rushing this. I'm just way too excited. As I said, I shut off my camera twice in excitement. And this is, ooh, 0 to 100 Real Thick Lip Gloss. Oh, look at this. It looks like dripping icing. Oh, this is really cute. If I didn't have a lippy on now. Oh, I like that applicator. That is fun times. Can I squish a teeny bit out? Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Right, this lip gloss. That blush would go good together. This palette. Excellent. So that was 6 and 7, y'all. Oh, we're almost there. Almost there. Now we're on to number 8. This is the best Christmas present ever. Nobody ever gets me makeup. And then for number 8, this is Wet and Set. Oh, a setting. Is that a little mini setting spray? High standard around here. Oh, nice. And it says Spice Cake. Am I getting that right? Is it a setting or am I just, what am I setting? Because it says setting. Oh, even with glasses, I am blind as a bat. P. Louise Wet and Set. We don't say sorry for setting. Rich standards around here. Oh, is this an eye primer? Okay, I'll have to get back to you. I can't read that. I'm an old lady. This time it wasn't me. This time it was FedEx. So I took the time to take a look at number 8 here, and it is a Wet and Set setting shadow. So it's a liquid eyeshadow. That is fun. It looks like you could probably use it as other things too, so I will play around with that. It's a nice looking color. Am I hitting? Yeah, there we go. There's a little hole in the bottle where you stick the point into. There we go. So hopefully we don't have to shut this off again. All right. So here is number 9, one before the end, and then this is Fallen in Line, a double-ended liner. Double-ended. Curious. All right, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, and then do you pull or turn? Okay, you pull. Okay, like that. Oh, I love me a brown liner. I ran out of my favorite House Labs one, and I don't think they make it anymore, or it's part of the Amazon thing, but oh, yes. This is exciting. I love me a brown liner. And then there's a light and a dark. Excellent. That's one thing that's been missing lately in my collection. My cat is eyeing the box. So that was number 9. And then we're on to our final box, number 10. This is poofy. All right. Oh, got some more skin here. Rise and Shine. Yay, because I'm out of my normal one. So this is hyaluronic acid serum. Start your day with a glow. Confident in your skin means confident within. Oh, that's so nice. I like these little sayings on here. So it's a hyaluronic acid serum. Oh, nice. Okay, for me, I know I'm number 1 a makeup fan, but I've also been really into skincare. So I know for a lot of people, maybe the last day, skincare wouldn't be exciting, but it is for me. So here we are. And then we've got, oh, look at this beautiful bottle. And this is just going to look just beautiful in my bathroom. And of course, got your stopper. Wow, this is amazing. This is the most thoughtful gift ever. Aw, and then just the extras popped in there. Some more P. Louise. Some stuff to get the makeups off when I'm done at the end of the day. And another Be Perfect palette. Oh, I am so excited. Thank you so much. This is the most beautiful gift and I cannot wait to play with it. It is absolutely thoughtful. I mean, a lot of people could just keep their, their extra things or, and it's so lovely for you to share it with me. Yeah, this is so lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you to Wilma for sending this to me, and thank you for you watching me unbox my little Christmas treat. I mean, I could have done 10 days of advent calendar, but who has that kind of patience? I don't. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, or maybe even hit that notification bell. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can still open big houses of makeup together. Have a fabulous day. As always, make good choices and behave, because Santa's coming. All right, bye-bye.